Hello students, this is your social science teacher Neeru Slathia, and today we are going to start a topic transport and communication of class 7th subject geography chapter 7. So let's start our topic. Students, transport, it is the means by which people and goods move. Students, what do you mean by transport? In simple words, we can say that transport is the movement of people or goods from one place to another place. Now, students, this transportation can occur in four ways: roadways, railways, airways, and waterways. So, there are four common ways of transportation. Students, earlier people either used to walk or they used to carry goods on the back of animals, for example, donkeys, mules, and camels, etc. Then, slowly and gradually, with more of inventions, there was an important invention then that took place, and that was the invention of wheel that makes the transport easier. On that, we have four basic transport ways that are we going to discuss here one by one. First one is roadways. Now, what are roadways? The most commonly used means of transport are roadways. They can be metalled or unmetalled. Manali Leh Highway in the Himalayan mountains is one of the highest roadways in the world. Roads built underground are called subways under paths. Roadways. Students, uh, roads can be metal or unmetalled. Here, metalled means pakka road and unmetalled means kacha road. Metal means pakka and unmetalled means kacha road. And one thing here to remember is that Manali Leh Highway. Manali Leh Highway in the mountain, in the Himalayan mountain, is one of the highest roadways in the world. And the road that was built underground. What do you mean by the road built that underground? They have the shape like this. Okay. So these roads are called the subways or the underpaths. Now our next transport is railways. Railways are the fastest means of land transport and can carry heavy goods and people over long distances quickly and cheaply. Students, it is a compact way to move millions of passengers and millions of tons of goods across the country. And nowadays, super fast trains have also been introduced to make the journey faster, more comfortable, and easier. Now, waterways. Waterways are the cheapest means of transport for carrying heavy and bulky goods over long distances. Sea routes are connected through ports. Sea routes are mostly used for transporting heavy goods from one country to another country. Students, sea routes are helpful for trading. Through this waterway, the industrial goods are transported from one country to another country. Next transport is airways. Airways are the fastest and most expensive mode of transport. It is the only mode of transport to reach the most remote and distant areas, especially where there are no roads and railways. Students, in case of natural calamities, for example in earthquake, during the earthquake, cyclone, airways provides better services, and it helps a lot in such natural calamities. Now we move towards communication. Communication is the process of conveying messages to others. Students, communication basically means conveying message to others. Suppose if I have a message and I want to convey it to you, then I can either release that message through internet or YouTube videos. In ancient times, people used birds like pigeons to transport their messages. Then we have a postal system. After that we have and finally we have print media, electronic media, and mass media. Different modes of communication are used to provide information through radio, newspaper, and television. We communicate with a large number of people. Now we can send emails through internet not only provides worldwide information but also has made our lives more comfortable. Now students, what is mass media? When we communicate to a large number of people, we use mass media, for example newspaper, radio and television. But nowadays there is a wireless technology which is without wire, that is which is without wire. Students, few decades back we have telephone cables that used to come, and now we have cellular phone which are wireless. So that was all about the communication and transportation. I hope all of you understand it very well. Thank you.